Are you looking to take your voice to the next level? Whether you're aiming to sound more confident, seductive, or just want a deeper, more intimidating voice, these tips will help you achieve that. Let's dive into some effective strategies for voice maxing that you can start implementing today. First up, vocal exercises. One key aspect is pitch training. Regular practice of lowering your pitch through vocal exercises can help you achieve a deeper, more commanding voice. Try humming at a lower pitch and gradually lowering it further. Research suggests that consistent practice can lower vocal pitch over time. Next, let's talk about diaphragmatic breathing. Proper breathing from the diaphragm rather than the chest can support a stronger and deeper voice. Take deep breaths, ensuring the diaphragm expands, and speak from this deeper place. This will give your voice a powerful, resonant quality that's hard to ignore. Chest resonance is another important factor. Focus on speaking from your chest rather than your throat. Feel the vibrations in your chest while speaking. You can practice this with specific vocal exercises like the sound, ensuring it vibrates your chest. This will make your voice sound richer and more authoritative. Moving on to neck muscle exercises. Strengthening neck muscles can support better vocal production. Stronger neck muscles help stabilize the larynx and support more powerful vocalizations. Try neck flexion and extension exercises. Slowly tilt your head forward to touch your chin to your chest, and then tilt it back to look up. Repeat this several times. Also, try lateral neck stretches by tilting your head toward each shoulder and holding each position for a few seconds to stretch the side neck muscles. Finally, recording and playback. Regularly recording and listening to your voice can help you self-assess and track your progress. This feedback loop allows you to make adjustments and improvements continuously. You'll be able to refine your voice to sound exactly how you want it. For every single one of these tips, practice regularly and stay consistent. With time and effort, you'll notice significant improvements in your vocal depth, strength, and allure. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more self-improvement tips.